from my tummy.
Oh,
I thought it was coming from my tummy.
because there's a party in my tummy.
So yummy, there's a party.
What could be inside of Plex's tummy that's making such a racket? It's Guillermo. He's come loose. That must be causing Plex's hiccups. That Guillermo, always causing trouble.
No, I'm never gonna stop hiccuping.
What was that?
That explains everything. We've got to catch that naughty gear and put him back in Plex so his hiccups will stop.
And quickly, we can't miss the beach party. I'll get him.
Okay.
Whoa! You get him!
Hey,
Gotcha! Guillermo! Oh, he picked out. Okay, I got you. Almost got him. That was awesome.
Great shot. Now let's get you back inside of Plex.
hiccup.
Oh,
Hiccup. Hiccup.
Plex is really hiccuping now. He's gonna beam us somewhere else.
I'm out. Okay, shout. Hang on in. Guillermo. Hang on in.
This is awesome. Plex beamed us to the Arctic. Now we just need to get